party started. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. Today we're in the van finally. Hopefully today's the day. I'm like super excited. I'm also like a little bit nervous that they won't be able to get my hinge fixed in my van. But wow, we got a nice fresh 6 inches of snow last night and melted a little bit and compacted, and it's really heavy. Ended up shoveling the driveway just to get the van out. I'm out of breath. Anyways, let's head to Sandy's Auto Collision and get the van started on its main voyage of getting repaired. Finally, it's only been 3 months that I've been waiting for this van to be fixed. I should have broke it in like June or like end of June and had it fixed by August, and I would have been in the van for the last 3 months making video content on YouTube and exploring and adventuring over on the Fraser Valley instead of in this snowy mess. But hey, if it stays, that'll be awesome for Christmas, because that'll be a winter wonderland. If not, then well, it is what it is. Well, let's hit the road, see how the roads are, and get the van fixed. Man, I'm so excited to get my van back and actually works now. I can actually open my door, open this door. It works great. So now I gotta put my insulation back, put the insulation back there, put my door back on, put everything back together, get my van all sorted out, and I can actually get back into my van. I'm so excited. Feels a little light now. It moves so freely. We got the new pins installed. We got the new hinge here installed. All right. They didn't replace this one because it was still in good shape, and they didn't replace these ones because I would have to take all of this out to get those ones replaced. So they did what they could. They got me back together. I'm so happy. Well, I got a few things to get done, and then I'll head back to Lumbee, and then we'll start getting the van put back together, back on the road. Whew, so excited. All right, guys. And yeah, start figuring out where I'm gonna go from there. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna be doing yet. I'm sure I will figure it out. Well, I'm not sure exactly where we're gonna be going or what we're gonna be exactly doing, but hopefully we'll be spending some time in the van. Can't wait. So we'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for supporting me. I appreciate it. And special thanks to Sandy's Auto Collision and Body Shop. Auto Collision? Auto Collision. I don't know. Anyways, you guys seen the photo. You guys know what I'm talking about. See you on the next one.